Hello everybody from freetradingvideos.com. This is Matador. It is February 10th, and the Senate passed a stimulus. Almost $3 trillion in taxpayer and private money is going to go to help revive our collapsing national economy. GM cut 10,000 salaried jobs. Walmart's cutting 700 or 800 jobs at headquarters. List goes on and on. Anyway, that's why we're seeing a pretty good dramatic drop here. People are not convinced that the government's going to be able to bail us out of this thing, even with the money. So that'll be something to watch carefully, and it's being priced in here rather quickly. The TRIN is just at an outrageous high. You can see it going up concomitantly. So 1.0, good move up here to 2.0. That'd be the same as 0.5 at the bottom. Now we're at 3.5. Very, very strong volume flowing into this downward movement, and it's still rising. The VIX is also rising. All right, so two very good confirming factors of the market selling off. The S&P, of course, is just eating it. Of course, on a 60-minute chart, you can see part of the reason why, technically, besides this news, and we are heavily news-driven here, is that we did have this resistance. We talked about that. Good sell-off. It could have easily chewed its way past that and gone higher had the news not been so poor. But now we're coming all the way back, starting with a gap down back below the 200 MA on the 60-minute chart. It didn't even stall at the support area at 85. We did get that good stall down here, which is where we're looking at right now, the 83 level, and just one very, very brief stall at 85. That was a big number from before. Resistance, 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 broke out of that. One nice little stall here at 85. Failure of that breaks past the 84 number even, and that has become now resistance. Nice little bear flag in here. Kind of draw that in if you like. Boink. And then further sell off today. We are now hovering around the $83 mark. All right, so right around in here, on a larger time frame, you can see where that came from. The support. The support is broken, becomes resistance, breaks out of that, kind of takes away from this, but there's a gap in here, and so the market remembers these round numbers very often. Below this, we should be looking around 82 round number, this swing low, and then back here for the swing low and the 81 mark. So we'll see what happens with this bounce that we're getting right now, but I would definitely need a higher swing low to even be able to have a chance of chewing out of that. This is a good shot. It tried to break out of this little cup and handle. There's just too much overhead resistance when the broad markets are also signaling so much volume flowing into the market when it's going down. So very difficult for people to want to go long in this kind of environment. Some people would consider this oversold, but oversold doesn't necessarily tell me it's a time to buy. It tells me just to be careful about how I'm going to go short from this point on. So again, just a subtle difference there. I hope this little diatribe helps with your intraday trading and looking into the future. And hang in there. Pretty wild to see something like this going on today, especially after they passed that bill. So we'll see how it shakes out. Happy trading, everybody. Talk to you guys soon.